Hello everyone, this is our animal footprinting reduction project using Euro V8. Now we can see the project base paper. It is a base paper for this project. And now we can see the project simulation, like how we run this project. Our project made by Python class framework and using HTML CSS for frontend and backend. This is our dataset for this project. This dataset is from Google website. Now we run this project. Our project run is localhost. This is our project landing page, and now we can choose the input images for making selection. This is a predicted image. Now our model predicted the deer footprinting. Now we can try to predict the different labels. Now it predicted cat footprinting. Now it can predict the deer footprint. I hope you like this video. If you want to more videos, subscribe our channel and like. Thanks for watching.